In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram stories glitch in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is so simple. Just go to the settings on your phone, scroll down and go to Apps Manager, and then click on Apps and search for Instagram and click on it. Now all what you have to do on this page, all what you have to do is click on the data usage option, scroll down and make sure to enable the mobile data and the Wi-Fi. Go back and click on storage, then make sure to click on clear cache and then click on clear data, and after that go back again and this time click on app details and it will take you directly to the Play Store. Then if there is a new update, click on it and then go back and this time click on the power usage. All what you have to do here is simple. Go to app launch and choose manage automatically, make sure to enable it, and now all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.